In a world where bold visions are reshaping everything from geopolitical strategies to technological frontiers, leaders and innovators are stepping up to redefine what's possible. Take DHS Secretary Kristi Noem, for instance. She's been meeting with Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu, urging unity in the Iran nuclear talks. Her message is clear: stand together against global threats. It's a powerful reminder of the importance of unity in the face of adversity. Meanwhile, in the tech world, we're seeing a corporate Bitcoin boom. Michael Saylor's strategy of corporate Bitcoin adoption is making waves, with companies like MicroStrategy leveraging debt to amass Bitcoin. It's a bold move that highlights Bitcoin's scarcity, but it also comes with risks, like opaque share structures and potential market crashes. As institutional interest grows, it's crucial for educators to clarify these trade-offs. And speaking of bold moves, let's not forget Steve Jobs. His visionary leadership at Apple transformed technology and media with groundbreaking products like the iMac, iPod, iPhone, and iPad. Despite personal and professional setbacks, Jobs' daring decisions drove Apple to become the world's most valuable company by 2011. Venture capital is another area where boldness pays off. By backing high-risk startups, VCs fuel innovation and embrace uncertainty. It's not just about having a great idea, it's about having a strong team to bring that idea to life. This approach offers a model for bold, research-driven decision-making in business and life. Now, let's talk about AI and UX design. Kyle Susi discusses how generative AI can enhance UX persona and journey map creation. By leveraging AI, founders and leaders can streamline research, boost creativity, and deliver actionable user insights. It's about balancing AI efficiency with human expertise to enhance UX deliverables with precision. In the realm of real estate, co-ownership is revolutionizing the $1.3 trillion vacation home market. Picasso, founded by the creator of Zillow, is leading this trend by turning underutilized luxury properties into fully managed assets. With rapid international growth and significant profits, Picasso is poised for what's next. As we wrap up, consider this. What connects Noem's diplomatic resolve, Jobs' relentless innovation, and AI's creative potential? It's the courage to act amid uncertainty. Whether it's uniting against global threats, redefining technology, or embracing new market opportunities, it's all about daring to take the leap.